Namaste and once again welcome back to another session of online mathematics class. Last class we have discussed some problems in exercise 6.3 of class 12 NCERT mathematics textbook. And today we move on to the remaining part of exercise 6.3. Let me start with question number 21. Here the question is, find the equation of the normals to the curve y is equal to x cube plus 2x plus 6 which are parallel to the line x plus 14y plus 4 is equal to 0. So we have to write the equation of the normals to the curve y is equal to x cube plus 2x plus 6 and which are parallel to the line x plus 14y plus 4 is equal to 0. So from this curve we can find dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to 3x square plus 2. Here we have to find the equation of the normals. So we can write the slope of the normal first. Slope of the normal is equal to, we all know the slope of the normal is given by minus 1 by dy by dx. So here we can write minus 1 by 3x square plus 2. Okay. Now the equation of the line is x plus 14y plus 4 is equal to 0. From this we can write the slope of the line x plus 14y plus 4 is equal to 0 is, here we can differentiate the equation with respect to x to find dy by dx. So 1 plus 14 into dy by dx is equal to 0 or 14 into dy by dx is equal to minus 1 and dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by 14. Okay. And here we have to find the equation of the normals to the curve which are parallel to the line. That means the normals are parallel to the line. Okay. If two lines are parallel, then the slopes are equal. Here the normals are parallel to the line. Okay. So the slope of this normal and the slope of this line will be equal. Clear? So we can equate these two terms. Since the normals are parallel to the line, we get slope of the normal, that is minus 1 by 3x square plus 2 which is equal to, here it is minus 1 by 14. Slope of the line is minus 1 by 14. We can cancel this minus sign and we can take the reciprocal. It becomes 3x square plus 2 is equal to 14 and 3x square is equal to 14 minus 2, 3x square is equal to 12 or x square is equal to 12 by 3 which is equal to 4 and x equal to square root of 4 which is equal to plus or minus 2. Okay. So here we got the values of x and by replacing x by plus or minus 2 in the given curve, we will get the corresponding values of y. Okay, then we can find the equations of normals. Clear? When x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 cube plus 2 into 2 plus 6. That is 8 plus 4 plus 6 which is equal to 18. Okay. And when x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to minus 2 the whole cube, then plus 2 into minus 2 plus 6. That is minus 8 minus 4 plus 6 which is equal to minus 6. Okay. So therefore the points are 2, 18 and minus 2, minus 6. Now we can find the equations of normals at the points 2, 18 and minus 2, minus 6. Okay. First we can find the equation of normal at the point 2, 18. So equation of normal at 2 comma 18 is, what is the equation of normal? Y minus y0 is equal to minus 1 by f dash of x0 into x minus x0. Okay, so here y minus y0 is 18, which is equal to minus 1 by f dash of x0, that means slope of the normal. Here the slope of the normal is equal to the slope of the line, and we find the slope of the line as minus 1 by 14. So we can put the value minus 1 by 14 here, minus 1 by 14 into x minus x0, that is x minus 2. Clear? Now we can multiply 14. So 14y minus 252, which is equal to minus x minus of minus plus 2. Now we can take this minus x to left side, it becomes plus x, so x plus 14y minus 252 minus 2 is equal to 0, that is x plus 14y minus 254 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is the equation of the normal at the point 2 comma 18. Clear? Now we can find equation of the normal at the point minus 2 comma minus 6. So equation of normal at minus 2 comma minus 6 is y minus y0, y minus minus 6, which is equal to minus 1 by 14 into, that is slope of the normal, into x minus x0, x minus minus 2. Here also we can multiply 14, so 14 into y plus 6 is equal to minus of x plus 2. Okay, minus into minus plus. Here we can multiply 14 and remove the bracket. 14y plus 14 into 6, 84, which is equal to minus x minus 2. Or we can write x plus 14y plus 84 plus 2 is equal to 0, that is x plus 14y plus 86 is equal to 0. Clear? That means the equation of the normal at the point minus 2 comma minus 6 is x plus 14y plus 86 is equal to 0. Understood? Here the next question is, find the equations of the tangent and normal to the parabola y square equal to 4x at the point 80 square comma 280. Okay, so first we can find dy by dx. So we can differentiate this equation with respect to x. 2y into dy by dx is equal to what? 4a, or dy by dx is equal to 4a divided by 2y. This 2 and 4 we can cancel, that is 2a divided by y. Okay, and we can write the slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent, here the point is 80 square comma 280. So slope of the tangent is equal to dy by dx at 80 square comma 280. Here we can replace the values. 2a by y, that is 2a by, instead of y we can put 280. 2a we can cancel, so the answer is 1 by t, that is slope of the tangent is 1 by t. Then slope of the normal, as we know the slope of the normal is the negative reciprocal of the slope of the tangent, so we can take the negative reciprocal. Here the reciprocal is t and the negative reciprocal is what? Minus t. Minus 1 by dy by dx, or minus 1 by f dash of x0, that is the slope of the normal. Here it is minus t. Clear? So first we can write the equation of the tangent. Equation of the tangent is y minus y0, here it is 280, which is equal to f dash of x0, that means slope of the tangent, here it is 1 by t. So 1 by t into x minus x0, x minus 80 square. Okay, this t we can cross multiply. Ty minus 2a t square equal to x minus 80 square. or we can write ty is equal to x minus at square plus 2at square. That is ty is equal to x plus 2at square minus at square. 2at square minus at square, it is at square. Okay. Equation of the tangent at the point at square comma 2at is given by ty is equal to x plus at square. Now the next is equation of the normal. Equation of the normal is y minus y0 is equal to minus 1 by f dash of x0 into x minus x0. Okay. So y minus y0, it is 2at. Y minus 2at is equal to minus 1 by f dash of x0. That means slope of the normal. Here the slope of the normal is what? Minus t. So we can write minus t here. Minus t into x minus x0. X minus x0 is at square. Okay, I repeat. Y minus y0 is equal to minus 1 by f dash of x0 into x minus x0. Here we put the values. So y minus 2at is equal to minus t, we can multiply and remove the bracket, minus tx minus of minus plus at cube. Okay, or we can write y is equal to this minus tx, we can take minus 2at to right side plus 2at, then plus this last term at cube. Okay, so the equation of the normal is y is equal to minus tx plus 2at plus at cube. Clear? Now we move on to question number 23. It's a very important question. Prove that the curves x equal to y square and xy equal to k cut at right angles. Cut at right angles if 8k square equal to 1. Okay, here we are given two curves. One is x equal to y square and the second one is xy is equal to k. Okay, x is equal to y square and xy equal to k are the two curves, and we have to prove these two curves cut at right angles if 8k square is equal to 1. Okay, first of all we can solve these two equations. So we can substitute equation 1 in equation 2. In equation 1 it is given x is equal to y square, that x value we can replace here. So y square into y equal to k, x equal to y square, so y square into y equal to k, that is y cube equal to k, or y is equal to k raised to 1 by 3. And we can find the corresponding value of y. We can substitute in equation 1 x equal to y square. So x is equal to y is k raised to 1 by 3, k raised to 1 by 3 the whole square. That is x is equal to k raised to 2 by 3. A raised to m the whole raised to m. A raised to mn. Okay. Now we got the point at which the two curves intersect each other. Okay. Therefore the coordinate is, coordinate means coordinate of the point of intersection. Coordinate of, let it be p. P is k raised to 2 by 3 comma k raised to 1 by 3. Okay. Now we can find the slope of the given curves by differentiating equation 1 and 2. Okay. So differentiating equation 1, we get 1 is equal to 2y into dy by dx. X derivative is 1, y square derivative 2y into dy by dx, or dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2y, and the slope of the curve x equal to y square. X equal to y square is dy by dx at the point k raised to 2 by 3, k raised to 1 by 3. So k raised to 2 by 3 comma k raised to 1 by 3. Here we can replace the value, that is 1 by 2 into y, k raised to 1 by 3. Okay, this is the slope of the first curve. Now we can differentiate equation 2 with respect to x. So differentiating equation 2 with respect to x, we get xy, we can apply product rule. So x into dy by dx, then plus y into 1 is equal to derivative of k. Derivative of a constant is 0. And x dy by dx is equal to minus y, which implies dy by dx is equal to minus y by x. Here also we can find the slope of the curve xy is equal to k by putting x equal to k raised to 2 by 3 and y is equal to k raised to 1 by 3. Okay. So the slope of the curve, the second one, xy is equal to k is dy by dx at the point k raised to 2 by 3 comma k raised to 1 by 3, which is equal to, here dy by dx is minus y by x, so minus k raised to 1 by 3 divided by k raised to 2 by 3. We can simplify this one, this can be written as minus 1 by k raised to 1 by 3. Okay, this k raised to 2 by 3 we can write k raised to 1 by 3 the whole square, and on the numerator it is k raised to 1 by 3. We can cancel these two and get what? Minus 1 by k raised to 1 by 3, or we can apply the formula a raised to m by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. Here 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. Okay, 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 is what? 1 by 3. Clear? And we know the two curves cut at right angles if their product of slopes is equal to minus 1. Okay, m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So the two curves cut at right angles if the product of their slope is minus 1. Here the slopes are 1 by 2 into k raised to 1 by 3, and the second one is minus 1 by k raised to 1 by 3. So we can write, therefore 1 by 2 k raised to 1 by 3 into minus 1 by k raised to 1 by 3 equal to minus 1. m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. Okay, product of their slope is equal to minus 1 since the curves cut at right angles. Okay, perpendicular. So here we can cancel this minus sign, and on cross multiplication we get 1 is equal to 2 k raised to 1 by 3 1 by 3, k raised to 1 by 3 into k raised to 1 by 3, and it is k raised to 2 by 3. Okay, a raised to m into a raised to n, a raised to m plus n, 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, it is 2 by 3. Or we can write k raised to 2 by 3 is equal to 1 by 2. If you divide these 2 to left side, it becomes 1 by 2. Okay, so k raised to 2 by 3 is equal to 1 by 2, and we can cube on both sides, cubing on both sides. And we get k raised to 2 by 3 the whole cube is equal to 1 by 2 the whole cube. This we can multiply, a raised to m the whole raised to n, a raised to mn. Therefore the number 3 cancel. We get k square is equal to 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8. And on cross multiplication we get 8 k square is equal to 1. That we want to prove. 8 k square is equal to 1. Understood? Now we move on to the next question. It's also one of the important questions in this exercise. Find the equations of the tangent and normal to the hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1 at the point x0, y0. We have to find the equation of tangent and normal to the given hyperbola. Okay. So first we can write the equation of hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. Now we can differentiate with respect to x. So 2x by a square minus 2y by b square into dy by dx, which is equal to what? 0. And minus 2y by b square dy by dx is equal to, we can take this term to right side, minus 2x by a square. You can cancel this minus sign and minus sign, 2 and 2. Or dy by dx is equal to, what we can write? This b square we can cross multiply. So xb square by, here on y is on the numerator, so it comes on the denominator, y a square. Okay. So dy by dx is equal to x b square divided by y a square. Now we can write the slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent to the curve is dy by dx at the point x0, y0. Here also the general point is given, x0, y0. So we can write x0 b square divided by y0 a square. So the slope of the tangent to the curve or the hyperbola is x0 b square by y0 a square. Now first of all we can write the equation of the tangent. So equation of tangent is y minus y0 is equal to f dash of x0 into x minus x0. Here y minus y0 is equal to f dash of x0. That means the slope of the tangent. Here it is what? x0 b square by y0 a square. So x0 b square divided by y0 a square into x minus x0. Now we can multiply the entire equation by y0 by b square. Multiplying by y0 by b square we get, here y0 by b square minus y0 into y0 by b square, that is y0 square by b square, which is equal to, in this term on y0 cancel, b square cancel. So x0 by a square into x minus x0. That is y0 by b square minus y0 square by b square, which is equal to, you can multiply this one, x0 by a square minus x0 square by a square. And we can change this negative term to left side, x0 square by a square minus y0 square by b square equal to x0 by a square minus y0 by b square. Since x0 comma y0 is a point on the curve, x0 y0 is a point on the hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1, the point x0 y0 must satisfy this equation. That means if you replace x by x0 and y by y0, that also holds this equation, x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. And if we put x0 and y0, what happen? x0 square by a square minus y0 square by b square equal to 1. That means the LHS of this equation becomes 1. x0 square by a square minus y0 square by b square equal to 1. So we can write, we get x0 by a square minus y0 by b square is equal to, this part is 1. Okay, this term is 1. So which is equal to 1. So the equation of the tangent is x0 by a square minus y0 by b square is equal to 1. Clear? Now we can find the equation of the normal. First of all, we can write the slope of the normal. Slope of normal is equal to, we know the slope of the normal is the negative reciprocal of the slope of the tangent. Here slope of the tangent is what? x0 b square by y0 a square. So we can take the negative reciprocal, that is minus y0 a square by x0 b square. And equation of normal is y minus y0 is equal to slope of the normal, that is minus y0 a square by x0 b square into x minus x0. Here we can write y minus y0 divided by this y0 a square. I write on the denominator y0 a square, which is equal to minus of x minus x0 divided by x0 b square. Clear? Now we can take the whole term to left side. Y minus y0 by y0 a square plus x minus x0 by x0 b square is equal to 0. Okay, so the required equation of the normal is y minus y0 divided by y0 a square plus x minus x0 by x0 b square is equal to 0. Clear? Now we move on to the next question. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve y is equal to root of 3x minus 2, which is parallel to the line 4x minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, so we can differentiate this one with respect to x. Dy by dx is equal to root x. Derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Then into derivative of 3x minus 2 and it is 3. So 3 by 2 into root of 3x minus 2. So this dy by dx is what? Slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent is equal to 3 divided by 2 root of 3x minus 2. Now we are given a line 4x minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. 4x minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0, and we can differentiate with respect to x to find dy by dx or the slope of this line. Okay, so 4 minus 2 dy by dx is equal to what? 0, or 2 dy by dx is equal to 4. From this dy by dx is equal to what? 4 by 2, which is equal to 2. That means slope of the line 4x minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0 is what? 2. And it is given that the tangent is parallel to this line. Okay, tangent is parallel to the line. That means the slopes are equal. Okay, so we can equate these two values. 3 by 2 root of 3x minus 2 will be equal to what? 2. So here we can write, since the tangent is parallel to the line, we get slope of the tangent 3 divided by 2 root of 3x minus 2 will be equal to slope of the line 2. Here we can cross multiply. 3 is equal to 2 2s are 4. 4 into root of 3x minus 2, and we can write root 3x minus 2 is equal to 3 by 4. If you divide 4 to left side, it becomes 3 by 4. Now we can square on both sides. So squaring on both sides. On squaring we get 3x minus 2 is equal to what? 9 by 16, or 3x is equal to 9 by 16 plus 2, which is equal to 9 plus 32 divided by 16, which is equal to what? 41 by 16. 3x is equal to 41 by 16, which implies x is equal to 41 divided by 16 into 3. 16 into 3 is 48. So the x value is 41 by 48. Now we can replace this value in the curve, equation of the curve, in order to find the value of y. Okay. So when x is equal to 41 by 48, y is equal to root of 3 into 41 by 48 minus 2. This 3 and 48 we can cancel, we get 16. So y is equal to root of, here 41 minus 16 into 2, 32 divided by 16. That is root of 41 minus 32. What is 41 minus 32? It is 9. So 9 by 16, and we will get the value as 3 by 4. Okay. Therefore the point is 41 by 48 comma 3 by 4. Now we can find the equation of the tangent. So equation of the tangent is y minus y0, that is 3 by 4 is equal to f dash of x0, that means the slope of the tangent. What is the slope of the tangent? Here it is 2. Okay, we already got the value as 2. So 2 into x minus x0, x minus 41 by 48, or we can write y minus 3 by 4 is equal to 2. We can multiply 2x minus 2 into 41 by 48, that can be written as 41 by 24. Here 2 and 48 we can cancel and we will get what? 24. Now we can multiply the entire equation by 24. Multiplying by 24 we get, what we get? 24y, then minus 24 into 3 by 4. 4 and 24 cancel. 6 4s are 24. 6 into 3, 18. Here 24 into 2, 48x. And the last term 24 cancel, we get 41, minus 41. Okay. Now we can rearrange 24y minus 18 minus 48x plus 41 is equal to 0, or we can write minus 48x plus 24y, then minus 18 plus 41, or 41 minus 18. 41 minus 18 is what? 23. So plus 23 is equal to 0. So this can be written as, we can multiply the whole equation, entire equation by one minus sign. So 48x minus 24y minus 23 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is the required equation of the tangent. 48x minus 24y minus 23 is equal to 0. Okay. This finishes the exercise 6.3. Thanks for watching. Thank you.